Alrighty, this is our next project. This one here, the Kickstarter is seized. So, I'm not going to worry about that right at the moment. What I'm going to do though, is before we do anything, I'm going to spin this one around, pull the spark plug, hopefully, and just see if we got any spark. Because maybe we can get away with just a shot of gas and go on this one too. Although this one here is in pretty rough shape, rusted up pretty solid. This one's obviously been sitting outside for a lot of years, so I think we might have to get into this one a little harder. But for the first part here, oh yeah, she's pretty ugly there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my spark plug in, tighten it up so that we got a good connection, and see if we can get that thing to lay in there somewhere. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Now I'm just going to hit this with a drill and see if we got spark, because maybe we'll get lucky. And where's my starter drive? There it is. Maybe we'll have spark on this one right away and we won't have to do nothing to it. So here we go. 0 spark. I didn't think we'd have any. We got her. Now, before I get that off of there, I'll work the socket off of there. Otherwise, it'll be jammed in that socket. Okay. Awesome. There we go. Now, there. Boogered it. It's history. But whatever. Like I said, I got lots. Now, to get this off of there, the easiest way to do this, I have found, is to have a pry bar. Because this is aluminum and this is steel, so they don't really rust together too badly. Just to get in here. Now, I don't want to pry on this too hard. I just want to give this a couple of quick wraps like that. And off they come. Now, we'll just set this off to the side for now. We had no spark in this motor. Can anybody tell me why? Let's see if we can get a better view here. Let's put you down here. I can't understand why this had no spark. More than one spider has made a nest in there. Snug them up and then just loosen it off just enough so that we can move it. There we go. Okay, now we need our feeler gauge. We'll get this in here for 20 thou. There's nice for 20 thou. Tighten this down. Get back in there, you. There we go. should, by rights, open and close. Oh, it does so. Look at that. Closed, open. I don't know if you can see that. I'll get you there. Oh, see? Open and close, open and close. Okay. That should be that. Okay, so now, put that top. Put this on here. Like that. Put this on there like that. Now, I don't have any grease or anything here, but I do have a drop of air tool oil. So I'm just going to turn this up a little bit. Just put a couple of drops of oil on there. Both sides. Just to make everything happy. If everything goes right, we should, by all rights, have sparkage. So, I'll just see what the heck we got going here. Where's our little drill and our happy hoopy? Where did you go? There we are. Now we should have spark. I hope we have. Oh, I want to tap this up yet. There, now it's not hitting. Okay, now hopefully we got spark here. Mega spark. Oh, let me actually turn you around here. See if you can see this. See if I put this on reverse, that should work that way. You can see the spark there? Yeah. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to screw this spark plug in. Take that off there. Screw this spark plug in. Somehow. Oh, come on. Don't be a dirty girl. There we go. And then I'm going to pull the carburetor off of this one because it's probably stucky and gummy. And I'm going to put the carburetor on it off of the other one. And hook up the gas and see if we can get this one pop to life or something. Now, let's flip this upside down carefully. Don't want to break the spark plug off. You know what? This carburetor is probably in pretty good shape. What I'm going to do, instead of pulling the carburetor off, I'm just going to pull the jet out, make sure that it's all clear, and we'll just try it with its original carburetor. We won't even take the carburetor off. Okay, here we go, peoples. Kick her in the right way to go. Firing like it wants to go. might have lost our spark, people. Which means that I'm going to end up having to take the... Oh, we got lots of gas in there. Let's see if I got spark here. I don't want to have to pull that apart again. Yeah, we lost our spark. Shit. Well, due to the fact that I'm 34 minutes into this video, we had it running, you seen it running. I'm going to, I guess it's 6:30 now. I guess we could pull it apart again. But yeah, I think what happened is my points have closed up again, or I got a shot of something in there. So what I'm going to do basically now is I'm just going to rip the flywheel back off of this and redo the point. So anyways, I'm going to leave it at that for right now. I'm going to, it's getting a little bit late. I've got to go have something to eat. We have heard this motor run. We know that it's running. We do have a small problem, so I'm going to have to check into that. But this motor here, I'm going to have to basically tear it all down, find out what's going on with it, and clean it all up, and then I'll start refurbishing these things, you know, paint them up and make them look good. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut this off now at 39 minutes. Edit it up, it won't be that long. And we'll go from there. Smooth out.